So now that we are back within our dashboard, let's explore how you actually go about using the specific address that we have given you at registration. So here you'll be able to see your name, the first address line, the second address line, which is your specific and unique suite number, which is extremely important that you add in all of your shipping addresses on all of your online stores whenever you are ordering something. Sarasota is basically the city, Florida is the state, and these 5 numbers is basically the postal code. And then you have the phone number down here. Basically, you have to copy this exact information every single time for all of the different online stores that you are using. So for example, if you go to Amazon, and I've added some random items here within my Amazon cart. So here you'll be able to see the different items that I've added. And let's say, for example, you want to order these items and you want to ship them to the unique address that we have provided you. So you click on Proceed to Checkout. Once you click on Proceed to Checkout, you'll get to this page. And on the very top, you will have to choose the shipping address. And in here, you can actually change the shipping address and you'll be able to add another shipping address. And here is where you add the shipping address that we have provided to you. So here you'll be able to see the first one, which is United States, and you'll be able to fill up your name, your full name here. And then here in the shipping address, you can go back to your dashboard and you simply click here, copy this, and you paste it within this first line item. Now, once you do this, you see automatically that this pops up and you'll be able to see different addresses here, but you can simply skip this and add a tab, and you just click the button tab and it goes to the second address line. And the second address line is extremely important for you to include here your unique suite number. So go back to your dashboard, copy your unique suite number, and then paste it here. In city, you will fill up Sarasota. You can fill it up manually, or you can go back to your dashboard, highlight it, copy it, and then you can paste it within the city. The state will be Florida, and the zip code, you can go back to your dashboard again, highlight the 5 numbers, and then go back to your online store and just paste the zip code there. In phone number, you will have to actually use this phone number. So you can highlight that, go back to the online store, and simply click and paste the phone number there. Make sure you delete those things, those special items, and just leave the phone number as it is. And that's it. You can always make sure that this is your default address. You can add other delivery instructions if you want. And basically this is the same process that you will do for all of the other online stores. So if you shop on eBay, on Walmart, if you shop on Shine or any other online store around the world, you will have to use this specific procedure. Make sure that the country selected is the United States. Make sure that the first address line is the address that we give you, and the second address line is extremely important for it to be your unique suite number. And then click on Use this address. Wait for a moment and the address will appear there. Then you already have your payment method selected and you will see all of your packages down here. Obviously, if you're a Prime member, you can always make sure that the packages are delivered for free faster. And that's basically it.